Now, Rugby Sevens newcomers Sigoti Girls Complex from Kisumu are ready to roar in this year's Nyanza Regional Term 2 games in Kisumu boys. Sigoti Girls, who challenged last year's champions Nyakach Girls, are in good shape and ready for championship.
And for our level of preparedness is more than enough. And what I can say that we have come here for winning. From the start to the end, it's a win-win-win to the end. Our aiming is to go to East Africa. That means we fear no team. No matter how hard they will be, but we'll meet them with more confidence.
So it has been a ruthless focus, transitioning from 15 to 7s. The ladies are geared up, and we are very ready for podium finish, that is Africa. So we are up to it, we are focused, we are locked in, and we have enjoyed God's love and energy and favor.
My name is Gordon Otieno. I'm a teacher at Sigoti Girls. In this term, we started training 7s, and up to this point, we are at the regionals. We came as number 2, but at this point, we know we are more prepared. We know the competition here is tough, but we are also tough. Our target is to reach East Africa, which will be held in Kakamega. Last term, we played up to the regionals, and because of that, the Kenya Rugby Union, that the body that was scouting for the rugby team, girls rugby team, selected 11 of our girls, and they are yet to go for trials that will take place next week on Tuesday and Wednesday at Kisii High School. We expect that out of the 11 girls, at least 6 of them will make it to the final team that will finally train to represent Kenya in Senegal for all African games.
My name is Rose Madungu, Principal Sigoti Girls Secondary School. Sigoti Girls is in Nyakach sub-county. This was our first time to participate in rugby as a whole. We had a team of rugby 15s, which took place in first term, and we went up to the regionals. This time we have rugby 7s, and we have reached the regionals. So we are very happy with the progress that we are doing in games. I am supporting the girls because these girls are like me when I was young. Girls can do well in all areas, and I am supporting talent. I'm supporting talent because I'm opening my arms to CBC, which is coming very soon. As an extra-county school cluster 1, we are doing all the pathways. We are doing all the pathways. We are doing STEM. We are doing social sciences, and we are also doing sports and physical education. This is where we are, and that's why I'm putting too much in sports, so that we are able to support the grade 10s who are joining us next year. My word of encouragement to the girls is that let them do their best. We know we can. They always know I support them. I'm happy so far that 11 of them have been identified by the Rugby Association team. And I've already received those 11 letters for the girls. That is an opening, a big opening. We want them to join the Kenya rugby team, and this can take them far.